Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Will a police report show up on a background check? This is a common question that causes a lot of stress, so let's break it down. The simple answer is usually no. A police report by itself will not show up on a standard background check for a job or an apartment. But the real answer is more complicated because it depends on what happened after the report was filed. To understand this, you need to know the difference between a police report, an arrest record, and a conviction. A police report is just an internal document created by a police officer to record the details of an incident. You could be named in a report as a victim, a witness, or a person of interest. It's simply a record that something happened. This report is not a criminal record. What standard background checks are really looking for are criminal records, which primarily means convictions and sometimes arrests. A conviction means you went to court and were found guilty of a crime. That will almost certainly show up. An arrest record is created when you are taken into police custody. This record can sometimes appear on a background check even if the charges were later dropped or dismissed. Think of it as a timeline. An incident happens, and a police report is filed. If police believe there's probable cause that you committed a crime, they may arrest you. This is the point where a public-facing record is often created. After the arrest, the prosecutor decides whether to file charges. If they do, and the case results in a guilty plea or a guilty verdict, you now have a conviction. It's the arrest and the conviction that background check companies pull from public databases, not the initial internal report that started it all. The type of background check also matters immensely. A basic pre-employment screening for an office job is much less thorough than an extensive FBI background check for a government security clearance or a job working with children. These high-level checks dig much deeper and might be able to find information related to police investigations, even if no arrest was made. But for the vast majority of Americans applying for regular jobs, the check is focused on criminal convictions and formal arrest records. If you were just a witness to a crime or the victim, you have nothing to worry about. Your name in that report won't appear on a criminal background check. So, to summarize, a police report alone is just an internal note. It's the actions that follow, like an arrest or a conviction, that create the public records that will show up on a background check. I hope this explanation helps clear up the confusion and eases some of your concerns. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple answers to your important questions. Thanks for watching.